To use the washing machine, make sure the wire on the back of the washing machine is connected to electricity. If it is not, turn it on. Next, check the wall switch mentioning washing machine. If there is no light, click the wall switch. Next, on the washing machine, you will find a control knob. This control knob allows you to select various wash cycles, spin speeds, or other settings depending on your laundry needs. Each setting is marked on the washing machine in both English and Arabic. Find the setting that suits your laundry needs and press on the Start Pause button on the right. To turn it off, simply move the control knob to off.